This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display or remove the bookmarks bar in the Brave web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you can see I have my bookmarks bar displayed up here. But to display or remove the bookmarks bar, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Bookmarks and Lists. Place your cursor over Bookmarks and Lists. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and go straight up to where it says Show Bookmarks. Then you'll go straight off to the right. And as you can see, I have mine enabled. It's set to always. I can disable it, or I could set it for only on the New tab page. If I click on Never, you can see my bookmarks bar has disappeared. I'm going to go back up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go back down to Bookmarks and Lists, straight off to the left, and straight up to Show Bookmarks. Then straight off to the right, and I'm going to click on Always. So I want my bookmarks bar displayed. That is how to add or remove the bookmarks toolbar in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.